Welcome to our tech-focused YouTube channel. Our videos are all about tutorials on various software and technology designed to help you learn new skills and expand your knowledge. So welcome again, welcome to How to Browser. And now without further ado, without wasting any second, because I hate intros, now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do, you can invite Midjourney bot in your server, and from here now we can create characters for a children's book illustration. These are the prompts you have to use in order to create. So make sure you're using children's book illustration style. Then you're gonna write the character age, depends on what you want. And make sure you write here multiple poses and expressions, expression faces, let's say sad. And then you can't like, you don't only have to write sad face. That's for the first prompt. You can also write here multiple views of same character and same pose, detail scene, and flat color, detail scene, and that's about it. And now here the results you're gonna get. Copy the image. Okay, I'm gonna use one. Right click. And now you can save image. Okay, save your image onto your computer. And now I'm gonna
upscale the image we just downloaded. And if you have any questions, also make sure to write the questions in the comment section, and I'll help you. And here, let's upload upload our image here that we just downloaded from here. You can even download even more, maybe this one as well. Save. Okay. Save this one as well, because we're gonna use these images to create our variations.
Now here guys, please click on the download image. We just upscale this image, download, and now make sure you save. Get the ones that you want to use.
Let's say I want to use in my book illustration this position, this image, this part.
So what you have to do is pretty fast. Press on your keyboard Shift, sorry, Windows logo key, Windows logo plus Shift S, so we can screenshot. And now I'm gonna screenshot this part of the image. It's even faster than using Photoshop. You can use Photoshop, but I like to use this. And now just Control V and paste this in your server in the chat, so we can then copy this image, copy the link of the image. Okay, make sure you're doing that. I'm gonna have to do this for other. Make sure you're doing this for all the poses you want to use. And here we have the results. Alright, make sure you copy all the images here, and then you can type children's book illustration. As I said, please make sure you write face expressions, position of the body, and like standing, walking, right? Make sure you're doing that and look at the results. Looks pretty good for me. Now you can simply copy from here the position that you want to use in your illustration, and then you can simply copy this prompt and make sure you now change the position. So now instead of saying happy, here you can write sad face. You can change the age. Maybe you want now all. You can also change front side. You can say front. We have also profile view. That's why I have this here, because sometimes I forget it. 3/4 or downward or profile view. How about profile view? Okay, now change this, and here you can write 20 years old character, dancing pose. Now we can have fighting or combat pose. Okay, and you change that, and then you can be able to add different positions, different poses that you'll be able to use for your illustration, which is very cool. Very cool. And now let's change, where is it? Nice, we have dancing position. Okay, dancing pose. Let's change to fighting or combat pose. And now let's see what we can change also. We can also change maybe the colors, or can nice clothes, happy clothes, and enter. So now what we're trying to do right now is just to generate different poses using all the images here. Okay, and we're trying to generate different poses that we can use in our illustration. We have our superhero pose. Okay, so let's image prompt.
And we can copy this as well. So we can
Detailed. Okay, and make sure you create as many as you want, and so you can have different variations. And this is a tutorial for you guys. I hope you learned something. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate that and really help a lot this small YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and take care.